This is George. He lives alone in an apartment he rents on his fixed income. George is having trouble making his rent payments and now has received a 5-day eviction notice. He's overwhelmed and doesn't know what to do next to fix this situation. George saw a flyer at his local library about renters getting help from the Right to Counsel program at Legal Aid Services of Oklahoma. Just like all renters, George has a right to get legal information, advice, and representation when discussing payment options with his landlord. And since he qualifies, Legal Aid Services of Oklahoma can provide him with all of this help at no cost. An advocate with Lasso helped George change the due date of his rent and communicate with his landlord about a repayment plan. The advocate also made sure George learned how to use the online payment portal for future payments. And if George's case had needed to go to court, Lasso would have represented him at no cost. George exercised his right to counsel, and with help from Lasso, got back on track making his rent payments. You can get help with your landlord or rental problems too. Just call the hotline to discuss your case and find out if you qualify for free assistance.